Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix the Discord failed to connect error. Many users see this error when joining servers or voice channels, and it usually happens because of network or app issues. First, check your internet connection. Discord needs a stable and fast connection. Um, Weak Wi-Fi or unstable mobile data can cause this error. Step 1, restart Discord. Fully close the app and open it again. Temporary glitches are often fixed this way. Step 2, restart your router or modem. This refreshes your network and assigns a new connection. Many connection errors disappear after a restart. Step 3, disable VPN or proxy. Discord blocks many VPN connections. Turn off VPN, restart Discord, and try again. Step 4, check firewall and antivirus settings. Security software may block Discord's connection. Allow Discord through firewall or temporarily disable it to test. Step 5, clear Discord cache. Corrupted cache files can break connections. Delete cache from app data greater than Discord and reopen the app. Step 6, try changing DNS. Switching to Google DNS or Cloudflare DNS can improve connection stability. This helps if your ISP DNS is slow. Step 7, check Discord server status. Sometimes Discord servers are down. Visit status.discord.com to confirm. Finally, contact Discord support if nothing works. Provide your region, error details, and steps tried. Support can investigate deeper network issues. So yeah, fixing the failed to connect error is about stable internet, restarting app and router, disabling VPN, checking firewall, clearing cache, changing DNS, and checking server status. Follow these steps and Discord should connect properly. Thanks for watching. Do like, subscribe, and comment below if this helped. See you in the next one.